right, so to get our rice started, I'm gonna start with 2 cups of water. Just pour it right into my pot. We'll also need a lid. I'm gonna pour in my rice. Just give it a little stir and make sure all of it's submerged. I'm gonna turn on the heat to high, and we're gonna cover it. And once it comes to a boil, we will turn it down low. All right, so our water is starting to come to a boil. I have stirred it occasionally. Stirring it will allow that water to heat up a little faster. So it's starting to bubble, if you can see that, those little bubbles here. It's going to turn my heat down to medium-low or low heat, depending on if you have an electric stove. I have an electric stove, so I'm going to turn mine to kind of low heat. Mine's at like 2.5. So if you have a gas stove, you probably maybe want to go a little bit lower. It depends on how high that flame goes. But we're starting to come to a boil now. It's starting to really roll. I'm going to cover it up. I'm just going to tilt the top a little bit so some of that hot steam can escape. If you cover it and kind of trap it, it will boil over, and then you'll have a little bit of a mess to clean up. So I like to just give it a little tilt, and we'll just keep an eye on it. It should take about 15 minutes or so. All right, so I am about at 18 minutes. So your rice should be looking like this. It's kind of fluffed up. It's still boiling. I'm actually going to turn it off. And you can let this cool for a little bit because it's going to get heated right back up when we make our stir fry. But as you can see, it's kind of fluffed up. There's still a little bit of water in there, so I'm just going to keep it covered. So now my rice has been sitting. It's all by itself. It was still kind of cooking. It was still hot when I turned it off, so I just covered it. It's nice and fluffy now. That's how we want it to look. All that water has been absorbed. So this is what we want it to look like when we make our stir fry. I hope this video was helpful. You can email us with any questions, or you can send some messages in the text box on Zoom, and I will see you all Wednesday night.